Are you stuck struggling in your online business? Are you just confused because you want to start an online business and don't know where to start? Have you been scammed? Have you been scammed before online and you have that problem with trust? You want to listen to this entire message here because I got something to share with you that can help you as soon as humanly possible. Now, if this is your first time here at this channel, hit the red subscribe button right below the video and hit that bell notification. When I do videos, you get videos just like this. Like, comment, and subscribe because I love doing videos every single day to help you. And I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is? It's that time to go ahead and talk about the content. By the way, my name is Shelton of the whole stuck and struggling thing, and I got some advice to tell you to get you unstuck, to get you go ahead and start taking action in your business as soon as humanly possible. Now, quick story, I want to tell you this. When I first got online, I didn't know where to go. I've done some videos about this before. Is that, I wanted to make some extra income. At first, I just wanted to make income along with my full-time job. I just wanted to make, honestly, like $1,000 a month, $1,500, $500, just some extra money per month. That way I can go ahead and help my family, really, help my family out, So it became a small goal. Like it wasn't like $50,000 when you first signed up. It was something small and reasonable. But I had this problem. Even making $500 a month or $1,000. I'm gonna tell you one secret that I was not doing. I'm gonna give you one secret, and that's I was not investing into myself. I was afraid to spend $7 for a product. I was afraid to spend $1 for a product. I was afraid to spend any money for any type of services that's gonna better me. I was actually sitting there thinking, I would look for the cheap books. Even though I had a little money, I would even buy a $10 book. I was trying to find the discount and another discount, another. I'm like, go ahead and buy that book. So I had an issue with investing money or income to better myself that's gonna help my business. I know what you're thinking right now. Well, I ain't gonna spend that $7. I ain't gonna spend that $30, or I'm looking for a quick profit right away. So if I spend this $40, I'm looking to make $80 right now. And I need to learn how to increase, my income, but you gotta get the education to be able to do that. And I wasn't investing in anything. I was not spending $1, $7, $20. And so I'm gonna give a secret to you. I'm gonna give a gift to you is that investing a system or information or coach or product that's gonna better serve you. Suspend that disbelief that if I put money into this, that it's not going to help me. That fear of spending money to help you, that you got to go ahead and change your thinking. That's why I changed my thinking once I got a mentor and a coach, and once I found this system. Oh my goodness, when I found this system that I invested to, but I'm getting the education back, it was game over. And right below this video is right what I'm gonna tell you right now. Right below this video, I have a link for you. A link for you because I know you stuck, struggling, confused, overwhelmed, all those words that we really don't like at all. We just going through it. I have a system right below this video. Click on that link. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online, to grow your online business. And this system here will teach you the education of building your business and get you to that profit mode as soon as humanly possible. Of course, results are not typical. I do have disclaimer right below this video, but I'm gonna tell you, follow the training. You get an advisor. I will be your sponsor. I'll be there to help you every step of the way as well. But you follow the instructions, you're going to have some type of results in your business. That's all you can ask for. A small investment, I'm telling you, small investment can get you the education to grow your business. And this system right below this video, there's a link there. Follow that business, follow that video. There's a video I want you to do. This is what I want you to do. When you click on that link, there is a video for you to watch. Watch the entire video and take action. And when you go ahead and take the action, I want you to go ahead and follow the steps of those action steps that they tell you to do. You'll get a text message from me when you go ahead and sign up, and we'll go ahead and jam. You know what? When you sign up, I'll give you a bonus, but you only get the bonus once you finish the training program. And the training program is it's not that hard, really. It's not. It's not that hard. But you'll be given every step of the way to be successful. You'll give the opportunity to be successful. So click on the link below to get started. I can't wait for you to go ahead and join, because this system is hot right now. And I want to get a secret to you. Sign up, because there's going to be a time, maybe this might be as hot, you know? This is the time to do it. The best time to do anything to better yourself is right now. Click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.